Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you exactly what you have to do to fix low FPS in Valorant in 2023. This is what I tested and worked my files, and apparently it works very well and it's very effective to really increase FPS. So let's jump right into the video and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, okay? So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do first, and is the most important one, is to go to performance and here adjust the appearance and performance of windows. Make sure you, instead of adjust for best appearance, make sure here you select adjust for best performance. Okay, click on adjust for best performance and then you click on apply and okay. You can also do this from here. If you go to settings, you can also click on Windows, press on your keyboard Windows logo plus I, and here this will open our settings, and you go to accessibility here and then you go to visual effects and make sure you turn all this off. Turn this off. Always show scroll bars, transparent effects turn off, transbar animation effects, and that's pretty much it. And now let's go to graphics settings, and here make sure you click on change default graphics settings and make sure you enable hardware acceleration and optimization for Windows games. Enable both of these settings. And now let's click on browse, and here what you have to do, we have to click on, where is it, on this PC. Let's click on this PC, click on Riot Games, let's click on Valorant Live, and let's add Valorant from here. Okay, so click on options now and make sure you select high performance, click on accept high performance and save. Alright, so use the best performance and Riot Games options and high performance. Browse, let's go to this PC and Riot Games, Riot Client, and here resources, you see we have here, but actually let's go live back to here, engine, binaries, Win64, and let's add here what we have to add. We have to add in Riot Client, we can add services as well. As you can see, they already have it. I already have it here. And then the next step is very important. You should also go to taskbar and you select high settings, and here select high performance. Right? You see services, make sure you set to high performance, not normal. If you set to normal, make sure you set to high performance. And now the next step is very important. Let's go to game mode settings, and here make sure you turn game mode off. It doesn't really work that well. I mean, if you can test it for yourself, if it works. If you see more FPS, you can turn it on back. You can turn it on. But if it doesn't, then yeah, just leave it off. You're better off just playing the game without game mode if you don't see any results in your FPS. So now the next method, what you have to do is pretty important. Now just make sure you also click on the play button, and here we have to lower the graphics. And here make sure when you go to the game settings, here make sure in video you go to graphic settings, and here set everything on low, none, and let's say 1x, and here low, and close. Okay, this is what you have to do. And now there's another method. Make sure you follow along with me and do this as well. We have to right click on Riot Client, but it's, wait just a couple of seconds. Alright, that's fine. Properties, and here in compatibility, make sure you disable full screen optimization and you run this program as an administrator. Also click on change high DPI settings, and here you check override high DPI scaling behavior, scaling performed by. click on OK, and also let's right click and here open file location, and here let's go write games and Valorant, and here in live we have Valorant. Make sure you go to properties and then you go to compatibility and you click on run this program as administrator and display full screen optimization. Also change DPI and enable this, apply, and OK. Okay, so that's what you have to do. I hope now you have a better performance. You can enjoy the game, and thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, I really appreciate it, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.